am Jennifer at Jennifer at Home, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Decorate an Easter Lantern collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and me, Jennifer at Home. All participating channels will be listed below. Be sure to check them out, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I'm going to be decorating this lantern for Easter. I'm going to show you a few different ideas to fit your design style. To insert in the bottom of our lantern today, to go along with all of our different designs, I've cut out a square of construction paper. We are going to do the first design with beautiful yellow accents, so I'm going to place the yellow construction paper in the bottom of the lantern. I've placed this large rabbit in the lantern. I've included a bow that has yellow accents of little bunnies. A matching ribbon tied in a bow on the top of the lantern ties it together. I've also given this little bunny a companion, an adorable little yellow chick. A beautiful yellow floral garland wraps around the bottom of the lantern to tie in the yellow theme and add a little bit more interest to the lantern. Moving on, we're going to add a piece of blue construction paper for our next lantern design. I'm calling this lantern the Sweet Treats. I have a blue theme going on with this lantern with some wonderful Easter treats. Everything with this lantern has a blue theme of sweet treats for the holiday. Once again, I'm going to change the design just by changing the ribbon or the bow at the top of the lantern. I'm going to add a brown construction paper for a more natural look. This lovely clay pot with natural wildflowers will be the perfect backdrop for this natural lantern. A natural ribbon on the rabbit really helps to accentuate the theme. And here's our lantern in wonderful natural earth tone designs. As you can see, by changing the ribbon and changing the construction paper color in the bottom, it really sets the stage for whatever design we want to use in our lantern. Now, using a beautiful green and white ribbon and bow, we're going to add the green construction paper for a traditional Easter look. Beautiful white tulips in a lovely green vase will complement this design. This little rabbit with a coordinating bow will be the perfect addition. And of course, some lovely velvet carrots. I am so happy you were here today. I had such a wonderful time putting together these lovely Easter lanterns. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the other participating channels. And I'll see you next time. Happy Easter!